All right, doing another Jacob on the job video, and guess what? I'm in his hood. We out here in Porterville. What's up? What are you gonna do about it? Nah. All right, they said that this compressor was bad. This unit looks really new. If it is bad, it's gonna be under warranty. Oh, Jesus. Watch out for the sticks. So this capacitor has already been changed. Because it comes with some Chinesium capacitor when you first buy this thing. Alright, so our fan side of the capacitor is good. Perfect. Our compressor side's probably good, and it probably needs a hard start kit, just like the other one I just did. But now I'm making assumptions. $39. Yeah, perfect. This compressor is not pumping. Well, obviously it is pumping. It's making a differential of what is that? Like 70, 80 psi. But the compression ratio on this guy's bad. So I was. If somebody from Porterville came and said it was bad compressor, I'm sorry. I was already bad mouthing you. The customer came up here and I was like, yeah, I mean the compressor is totally fine. It ohms out okay. It's not grounded. The capacitor looks fine. Worst case scenario, maybe the compressor wasn't starting, so I'm gonna have to put a hard start kit. And then I turned it on, I fired up. I'm like, see, look at this. I'm amazing. I saved the day. But the other contractor that came out here was right. This compressor is bad. The compression ratio is bad. The way you check that is you divide the discharge pressure absolute divided by the suction pressure absolute. I don't really know what adding the 14.7 does if you add it to both, but I'll just go ahead and do it. So 230 plus 14.7, 244.7, 162.7, 244.7 divided by 162.7. The compression ratio is 1.5, so that's really low. In my experience, I believe you want this to be between 2.5 and 3.5, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this thing's not making any kind of differential. Well, it's making a differential, but not the one that we need. I've already checked the TXV sensing bulb. That looks fine. To me, this looks like a bad compressor. I always like to blow nitrogen through backwards through the TXV, backwards and forwards if I can. Okay, this is how you do this. Make sure this is closed. Open it. Open it. Put it on the scale. Come over here. Open this. So you get liquid that comes out. Now you're purged. Now you zero. And then you can charge. You always want to charge on the discharge line. Alright, let's see if we did anything good. You leave this open, you can throttle it in on the low side. So all I'm doing is feeding liquid refrigerant into the low side. As long as you go slow, it can handle it. You don't really got to do all the burst bullshit. You just let it go slow. Alright, baby, we're rocking and rolling. We're ejecting some heat. Our return air temperature is 82 and our supply air temperature is 62. So money, I know, superheat, sub cool, all that, but I just factory charge this thing. So money, Pro Temp, baby. Bow. In Porterville. What's up, Jacob on the job?